Fire rain. Imagine a sky raining fire instead of water. A terrifying storm where burning drops fall from the clouds and turn the earth into flames. Ice crystal rain. Sharp ice crystals fall like frozen needles from the sky, covering everything in a dangerous layer of icy shards. Golden rain. A mysterious shower of golden particles falls from the clouds, shining brightly like treasure from the heavens. Blood rain. A shocking red rain pours from the sky, creating fear and mystery wherever it falls. Meteor rain. Fiery space rocks crash through the sky like a deadly storm from outer space. Lightning rain. Bolts of lightning strike again and again, turning the storm into a dangerous electric battlefield. Ash rain. Volcanic ash rains down from the sky, covering cities in darkness and choking the air. Flower petal rain. Soft flower petals gently fall from the clouds, turning the storm into a magical dream. Fish rain. Imagine fish falling from the sky during a storm, one of nature's strangest mysteries. Glass rain. Sharp glass-like pieces fall from above, making every step outside extremely dangerous. Shadow rain. A dark, shadowy rain spreads fear as the sky turns strange and mysterious. Rainbow rain. Colorful drops fall from the clouds, painting the world in magical rainbow shades. Lava rain. Molten lava pours from the sky like a fiery nightmare from a volcanic storm. Star rain. Tiny shining stars appear to fall from the sky like a sparkling cosmic shower. Diamond rain. Brilliant diamonds rain from the clouds, creating the most dazzling storm ever imagined.